Titchfield High is represented this evening by team captain Quayne Smith, Jordan Cassop, Marquise Walker, and Matthew Jackson. While Oberlin High is represented by team captain Simon Barrett, Shania Reynolds, Siobhan Hall, and Fitzroy Taylor. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to round 2 action in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Defending champions Titchfield High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Titchfield High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have it on the clock, so we'll begin Titchfield High with Jamaican heritage. According to Jamaican folklore, what supernatural creature is believed to shed its skin at night and suck people's blood?
Rolling calf.
No, it's Old Haig, Jamaican heritage Oberlin High. What is traditionally believed to happen if you sweep the yard at night? You sweep away luck, invite bad luck, or invite evil spirits. Specifically, international affairs, a visual question for Titchfield High. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. President of Egypt. Correct. International affairs, your visual question. Oberlin High. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please. No, it's Abiy Ahmed, President of Ethiopia. French for Titchfield. What is the equivalent English idiom for coûter les yeux de la tête? Sorry? No, it costs an arm and a leg or it's expensive. French for Oberlin. What is the English translation for je vais à l'école tous les jours? No, I go to school every day. Principles of business, Titchfield High. What is the 2-word name for money owed by customers to a business? Good. Principles of business, Oberlin. What is the 3-word name for when demand remains unchanged despite price changes by a business?
Demand.
A perfectly inelastic demand. A music and audio question for Titchfield. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Oh, baby.
No, it's Footloose. Kenny Loggins. Music for Oberlin High. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Baby, are you out of my head? And I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough.
Your love.
No, just can't get enough. Depeche Mode. Art, Titchfield. What is the original and primary binder in oil paint?
Alright, so this is paint.
No, it's linseed oil. Art for Oberlin. What is the original and primary binder in tempera paint?
Water.
No, it's egg yolk. Theatre and cinema. Visual question for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Reese Witherspoon.
Reese Witherspoon.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Oberlin. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Sandra Bullock.
No, it's Hilary Swank. Bible knowledge for Titchfield. Which Old Testament prophet was commanded to marry Gomer as a sign to Israel?
Hosea.
That's right. Bible knowledge for Oberlin. Which biblical judge made a vow that led to the sacrifice of his daughter in order to fulfill?
Samuel.
No, it's Jephthah. Sport, a visual one for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person here.
Sadio Mane. Sadio Mane.
International footballer, correct. Oberlin, your sport question. Look at the monitor and identify this person here.
Brian Mbuemo. Brian Mbuemo.
A professional footballer, you're on the board. Biology, Titchfield, and that is the bell already. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Titchfield High taking the early lead on 5 points, Oberlin High on 1. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.